Hey guys, today I want to show you how to make bubble from BFDI. So first you want to go with this icon, the classic one. Next what you want to do is make it as bubble as possible. Next we're going to do the color as this. Now let's download it. Whoops, I forgot. Now let's make it colorful as possible. Download. For bubble ship, we're going to use that bubble blower. For the ball of bubble, I want you to choose this. For the UFO of bubble, choose this one. For the wave of bubble, I want you to choose this. For the robot of bubble, choose this. Halo Master Chief. And for the last one, I want you to choose that as the spider. And for the dingamajig, you choose this one. And that's how you make bubble. Bye.